Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do some empties and go over a couple of products that I have finished over the last few months and a few things that I've been loving. Some of the products that I'm featuring are actually gonna be in an upcoming video. I'm not gonna tell you what yet. I've been working really hard on it, but I'm really excited to share that one with you. So let's just get started. So the first product is the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Conditioner for thick and curly hair. I had gotten this from Walgreens, I want to say a couple of months ago, and I was super intrigued with it because the whole concept of it is it's for curly hair. Maui Moisture is really known for having some really great moisturizing thick products and not having silicone in it. So I actually thought that this one was pretty moisturizing, but it's not one of my favorites. If you want to compare it to, let's say, the Aussie Moist Conditioner that's like $6 at Target, although that one has a lot of silicones in it and it's not the best for your hair, this is definitely not as moisturizing as that conditioner. And I'm pretty sure it's about the same price, or this one might be a little bit more expensive. Overall, I think it was fine. It was enough for me to co-wash my hair. I had to use quite a bit of it, so I don't think I would buy it again, but overall it's something that you can consider if you need something quick. Next up is a deep conditioner. This is from Originals. This is from Africa's Best. It's the Coconut Cream Restorative Conditioner. It has 100% pure coconut milk in it, avocado, grapeseed oil, flaxseed oil, all of those really good things. One thing to note though, and I think a lot of people tend to get confused with this, but Africa's Pride and Africa's Best are two different brands. And if I'm not mistaken, neither one of those are black owned, even though it mentions the word Africa in the name. So just be careful if you're hunting for black owned brands to be mindful to just research the company that you're looking at, because it may be marketed towards black people or people of color, but it may not be owned by a person of color, as an example. But all that is to say is this deep conditioner, it focuses on dry, brittle hair, and it helps to restore damage and breakage. This is honestly one of my favorite deep conditioners, regardless of like the racial aspect of it. It's super moisturizing. This is one of the products that I'm gonna feature in my next video, but I absolutely love this conditioner. I'm so sad that it's empty. I'm definitely gonna buy another one. If you actually go on their website, there is a kind of like a co-wash shampoo conditioner type of thing that's also from the same line, and it smells so good. The whole concept is coconut, so if you love island coconut smelling type of things, get the shampoo with this, get the conditioner. It's so moisturizing. I love this. I will forever use it for the foreseeable future, and I'm so sad it's gone. I have to get another one. Next one is actually a styler. It was featured as one of the products in my previous video of reacting to my wash and goes. This is the ORS Curls Unleashed Coconut and Avocado Do It All Styler. And what I love about this is that it doesn't flake in my hair. It doesn't give me any buildup. It's super moisturizing for my hair, and my hair loves it. I actually used it for this wash and go today. This is 3-day-old hair, by the way, and it looks amazing. And I already bought another one of this. I purchased more of their products from the same Curls Unleashed kind of line, and if you want to see a review on all of those products, please leave a comment down below. I would love to share that with you. Next is a leave-in conditioner, which is also one of my favorites. This is from African Pride. It's the Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil. I don't know how to say this other oil. Baobab. Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In. It doesn't have any parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, or petroleum, which are all ingredients that I think every person should avoid, and regardless if you have curly hair or not. But I actually tried to proactively stop using petroleum and mineral oil in my hair when I first went natural. It's actually really refreshing to have tons of options of different products out there where you can actually avoid those ingredients. And what I love about this one is that it may not be the most natural, so if you're the type of person that's looking for like vegan, organic hair care products, this is definitely not falling in that category. But what I love about this one is that it's actually water-based, and so you'll know what I mean when you use something that's more of a liquid leave-in conditioner and it leaves your hair super moisturizing. That first ingredient is water, on top of the fact that you should be using water in your hair. Honestly, it gets me so excited because even though it may not be the safest of ingredients all the time, this is one of those exceptions that I make for my curly hair routine where I feel like I'm getting the moisture that I need, I'm getting the protection that I need, my hair is hydrated for days at a time, and I'm just flinging around this product. But you get the gist of what I'm saying, is that if you're interested in some of those lightweight leave-in conditioners where you feel like you're getting something out of it for the money that you're spending, then definitely pick this up. If you actually look deeper into this brand and go on their website, there's this pre-shampoo from the same line. It's one of my favorite things if I'm going to do a pre-poo at all. I generally don't do it for my hair, but if I am, I'm using that product. It's not empty yet, but I will show it in another video if you guys are interested in a review in that as well. My last product is actually something else that I've been loving, and I was surprised that I actually love this because I've never used anything from this brand before. It's the Design Essentials Natural with Sweet Almond Oil and Shea Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. That is the longest name I've ever heard for a product ever. But the whole point of this is you can obviously pair it with the shampoo, which I do have, but I haven't really used it yet since I'm cycling through shampoos right now. But it's for curly hair types, it's really good at detangling, and it also doesn't have any parabens, petroleum, or mineral oil. So pretty much you're following kind of the same rhyme and reason as the other products that I mentioned. What I was pleasantly surprised about this is most of the time if I get a conditioner that's in a Curlbox or I'm trying something at the drugstore, 9 times out of 10 it's kind of like okay. It's very rare that I feel like I'm blown away by something and it is something that I want to repurchase. But this one was actually one of the most moisturizing conditioners I have used in years, like in years, and that sounds a lot because I kind of stick to the same type of conditioners as long as it's thick and creamy and you can detangle your hair and all of that. That's usually what I try to gravitate towards, and I end up buying the same type of conditioner. So this actually surprised me. It was super moisturizing. I didn't have to use as much of this as I would normally do with other deep conditioners, and the cool part was it smelled really good. And most curly hair products smell really good, but this is just one of those ones where it doesn't smell like fruit. If that makes sense. I think a lot of products, they tend to smell very floral or they smell very fruity. Most of the products that I showed you, they gravitated more to coconut smells and tropical smells, or blueberry, pineapple, and that type of thing. So if you're really sensitive to those smells and you're not a fan of fruity smells, then definitely look into this brand because it has one of those light scents where if you've had sweet almond oil in your hair before, it smells exactly like sweet almond oil. It's really light, smells a little sweet but not too heavy, and I just love it. Like, I'm just whiffing the bottle wishing I had more of it, and I guess I have to go online and purchase it. So that's actually it for all the products that I've emptied. If you've ever looked at my storage, it's quite a lot of products that I have to go through, so I'm not going to do this as frequently. I'll try to do this every couple of months just to give you guys some insight into what I'm using and things that I'm liking. If you like the products that I've mentioned in this video, then please leave a comment down below. If you want to see any future videos about things that I'm trying or things that you want me to test on my hair, please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video next week.